Typically, students don't wear hard hats and safety vests to school, but when their classroom is the Port of Vancouver, it's the rule. These students from several Vancouver high schools study science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM. Today, they're learning how things work in the real world.
Civil engineering, super cool. Structural engineering, everything they're doing here is, brand new, groundbreaking, and super interesting.
On this special field trip, organized by the district's Career and Technical Education Department, students see a new project at the port that allows for the transfer of copper concentrate from the trains into the boats. It's a well-engineered solution to a simple but difficult problem. It involves buildings, train tracks, steel grates, and a giant conveyor belt.
I think it's more of a bunch of simple things put together, and then it makes it complex.
Students connect the dots between what they're seeing at the port and what they learned in the class.
I feel like it's one of those things that you understand and you know how it works, and then you come here and you actually see it and you're like, oh, okay, now it makes sense. I'm making these connections.
Metallurgy that we learned through our welding program at Fort helps out a lot here so that we know exactly what kind of metal is using and why we can use that metal there versus a different metal.
More than just the nuts and bolts of the port facility, the students are also seeing what careers in STEM fields might look like for them.
You know, the more exposure that you can have as a student, as a younger person, to be able to see what types of opportunities that there are out there, different types of jobs, and talk to people that are currently in those positions, the better decisions that you can make as a student now to set yourself up better for the future.
And thanks in part to experiences like this, students see their future more clearly as they approach adulthood.
If I didn't have firsthand experience, it would be hard for me to be able to realize what I'm going to be doing or going into.
Yeah, it definitely gets me excited to see what I can do and what I can, what jobs I can be and who I can become. So.